Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we are diving into a cornerstone standard for our industry, ISO 14971, focusing on the 2019 revision, which is the third and current edition for the application of risk management to medical devices. This standard provides a comprehensive framework for manufacturers to identify, assess, control, and monitor risks throughout a device's entire lifecycle, from initial concept to post-market activities. The update to ISO 14971, published in December 2019, was a significant evolution from its 2007 predecessor. It was revised to better align with the modern regulatory landscape, including the increased emphasis on lifecycle management found in regulations like the European Union's Medical Device Regulation, or EU MDR. The goal was to clarify requirements and enhance the effectiveness of risk management processes to improve patient safety. The 2019 version introduced several critical changes. First, it clarified key concepts by adding or refining important definitions. These include benefit, which focuses on the positive medical impact on an individual or public health. Another is reasonably foreseeable misuse, which covers predictable yet unintended user behavior. Finally, state-of-the-art, which refers to the generally accepted good practices and technical capabilities at a given time, not necessarily the newest technology. These definitions provide a clearer foundation for risk assessment. A major thematic shift is the increased emphasis on a proactive lifecycle-wide approach. The requirements for production and post-production activities, detailed in Clause 10, were significantly expanded. Manufacturers are now required to establish, document, and maintain a systematic process to actively collect and review safety information for their devices. This isn't just about passively collecting complaints. It involves actively monitoring sources like scientific literature, user feedback, and publicly available information to reevaluate risk and ensure the risk management file is a living document. Furthermore, the standard reframes the balance of risk and reward. The term benefit-risk analysis is now used, aligning with global regulatory terminology. The standard requires a more structured approach for evaluating the overall residual risk, that is, the risk remaining after all control measures have been implemented. The risk management plan must now explicitly define the method and criteria for determining the acceptability of this overall residual risk, weighing it against the device's benefits. This ensures that even low-probability, high-severity risks are properly contextualized before a device is released to the market. These changes collectively push manufacturers beyond a simple, checkbox approach. They demand a deeply integrated and continuous risk management system that is woven into the entire quality management system, ensuring patient safety remains the central focus from device conception through its life in the market. If you need help navigating the complexities of ISO 14971 2019 or require support with your global market access strategy, please visit our website. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.